Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video after a long time on this channel. And in this video I'll show you 6 cool websites which are also very handy that you can use. So yeah, make sure to watch the whole video because the last one is the most interesting one. So yeah, without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay, so the first website is wormhole.app. You can use this website to send files to anyone. You can send file size up to 10 GB without even logging in, so you don't even have to make an account. You can just visit this website, upload the file, and you can send it to anyone. Now if you upload a file, it gives you a really cool animation like this. Now the footage may be laggy because my PC is a piece of shit. And after uploading the file, you get this link that you can copy and send it to anyone. And you can also get the QR code that you can share. Now there are two settings down here that you can set timer that in 60 minutes the file will be deleted and this link won't work, and the timer goes to 24 hours, same as the downloads. If someone downloads this file once, the link won't work again. So yeah, these settings may come handy. So yeah, that was our first website. Now let's move on to the second one. Okay, so our second website is YT2MP3. As the name says, you can download any YouTube videos audio file from this website. Okay, so to download the audio, all you have to do is just copy the link of the video and now just paste it on this website and just hit on convert. Now after a few seconds, you'll get this download button and you can click download, and there you go, you can download the audio. So yeah, that was it for the second website. Now let's move on to the third website. Okay, so the third website is tunebat.com. Now this website is really cool and handy. This website can split the instrumental or even the vocals from any audio file. So yeah, to remove the vocal, all you have to do is just click on here and just select the file. So I'll choose this file which we just downloaded from the last website and just click on open. And then we have to wait for a few seconds, then I'll be back to you. Okay, so the audio file is uploaded and that took a few minutes, and as you can see there are two sliders now. The first one is the vocal and the second one is the instrumental. So let's say I just want the instrumental, so I just click on instrumental, and as you can see, so as you heard, there were no vocals in that instrumental part. Now if we click on the vocal, so yeah, you can make instrumental versions of songs just in few minutes. And you know what? I'll use this instrumental for the background music of this video. That's it for our third website. Now let's move on to our fourth website. Okay, so our fourth website is ilovepdf.com, and from this website you can do many things with your PDF file. For example, you can merge two PDFs in one. You can compress the size of your PDF file. You can put a signature on your PDF file. You can also put watermark. You can protect your PDF. So let me show you how you can protect your PDF. What you have to do is just select the PDF file. Suppose I select this one and ask me for a password. Let's put 123 and repeat it. And as you can see, just click on protect PDF and you will get the download file here. So if I download this and then if I open it, so as you can see, it asked me for password. So if I put my password 123 and click on open file, and there you go. So yeah, this website can come very handy, and there are a lot of more functions, so make sure to check this website out. So yeah, this was the fourth website. Let's move on to the fifth website. Okay, so we all know that Photoshop is the king of photo editing softwares, but if we look at the price, yeah. So that's why the fifth website on our list today is photopea.com. This website is an exact replicate of Photoshop and you don't even have to download it. You can just visit this website from your browser and just use it without even downloading it. This website has every feature that Photoshop has, and even the video of this thumbnail was made on this website only. The only thing is you have to see a few ads on the corner of your screen. So yeah, I don't think it bothers you that much. So yeah, that was our fifth website. Make sure to check this website out. Let's move on to our sixth website. Okay, so the sixth website on today's list is Poki.com. Okay, so on this website you can play thousands of mobile games directly from your browser. You don't even have to download anything, and let me show you. Let's click on Subway Surfers. Okay, so as you can see, you can play Subway Surfers directly from your browser and you don't even have to download it. Like I mentioned earlier, there are thousands of more games on this website, so I don't think you will ever get bored of this website. So yeah, make sure to check this website out, and we'll wrap this video up here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and all the website links will be in the description box. And by the way, if you are not subscribed to the second channel, yes, all 38 of you, in which 5 of them are my accounts. So yeah, make sure to check this channel out. I post gaming related contents here, mostly GTA 5 and GTA Online. Leave a like on this video and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and peace.